How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can easily fix HP monitor black screen. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply just reset all of your cables, including the power cable itself, making sure that your device is getting enough power. From there, if it's black screen but with some power on, then you're having problems with the input sources itself. Fixing this is extremely simple. You want to try using different ports because some of the ports might be broken. So from here, let's say that the port that you want to use is going to be this one. Let's say it's going to be HDMI 1. We have HDMI 2, DisplayPort, etc. You want to head over to the OSD controls. Now you can find this by clicking on the bottom of your monitor right here. You can see buttons in order to navigate through the settings of the entire monitor. And then, of course, let's head over to the video input control. Select the right input source. Once again, let's say that it's going to be HDMI 1. And then basically from there, you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.